In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create action scenes Higgsfield AI. We'll start right on the homepage. Open your browser and head to the Higgsfield AI website. This is where everything happens, and we'll move from a still image to a dynamic animation in just a few clicks. At the top of the site, select Image. We're beginning with a base image because a strong frame gives your action scene a clear subject, setting, and style to build on. On the image page, you'll see the workspace where images are generated. Click on the image area to bring it into focus and get ready to produce your first frame. This area is designed to be simple so you can concentrate on the concept of your scene. Now, click Generate. Higgsfield will create a still image using the current settings. Give it a moment. When it appears, look for a composition that feels energetic and readable. Clear subject, strong lighting, and room for motion. Click on that image to open it up. This confirms it as the frame we'll use for animation and lets you access the next set of controls. Next, choose Animate. This switches you over to video creation using your selected image as the starting point. It's the bridge from concept art to movement. Here, type your prompt. Be specific about action, camera, and mood. For example, mention motion verbs like sprinting, crashing, or dodging. Note the camera move, such as handheld shake or a fast push-in, and add environmental cues like rain, sparks, or dust. Short, clear phrases work best. Choose a model. Different models balance speed and detail differently, so pick the one that fits your needs. If you're testing ideas, a faster model is handy. If you're finalizing a look, go for higher fidelity. Choose the duration. Longer clips show more choreography, but shorter ones render quicker and make it easier to iterate. Start brief, then extend once you're happy with the motion. Finally, choose the quality and click Generate. Higher quality takes more time but returns cleaner textures and smoother motion. Keep the page open as it renders and watch the progress. When it finishes, play it back to evaluate timing, clarity, and impact. If you want to refine, adjust the prompt, model, or duration and generate again. And that's the complete flow. From a still image to an animated action beat, all within Higgsfield AI.